update on my dream build. So I don't know, it seems like months ago now, we launched a video about a dream build where we were going to put two into one dream camper build, exactly the way I wanted it. And there's no content come out on it since because, well, there's just been a million other projects. The new Transit came out, we needed to work on that. Well, every video between now and then was just content that we had to cover. So finally, we're getting back on the dream build. And this is how it sits currently. Well, that's not technically true because this is the shell of the bits that we took them off. So we thought we'd just do a quick update video to show you what's been happening. So as of now, the other shell goes on the ramp. All this has been stripped and we're gonna just be on it now, throwing out content. So everything that we do to it, swapping the 2.5 engine out of this that had 1600 miles on it into the other shell, everything that goes involved in doing the caravelle conversion, all the audio, the air suspension, the whole lot. We're gonna document the whole lot, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So what's been happening up until now? So I'm going to take you for a quick walk around. We'll show you what's going on with the bits that are here. Over the course of the last 2 days, Mikey and Mitch have been stripping this shell. So all the caravelle stuff that's coming out of this is going to go in the new one. Over here, there's just literally bits everywhere. It looks like a junkyard at the minute. Various different parts we've taken out of it. Some of it we're retaining in the other vehicles. Some of it's just going to go off to scrap. Through here, you'll see there's just bits everywhere. Bits all over here, bits here. Mikey's sitting over there, drilling some bits out over there. So originally we kind of planned we were going to make this into a real concourse install. So underneath it was going to be immaculate. Then we decided really we wanted to actually use this van. So it's going to be a show van that's going to tow vehicles to shows. So currently the deadline for this build is Gravity Show in August, which is quite a deadline considering that and that looks like that. We've had so much time thinking about this build in the meantime that ideas have changed, wheels are different, colour change, everything like that. It's not going to be the same as it was. But let's just show you around here. So tucked away in this unit here, or in this storage space, is the rest of the van. This is what's going to be the shell of the new vehicle. So if you can see it tucked away in a sorry state there, looking pretty miserable. It's exactly how we left it up before, other than the guys from Horizon came over and they've cut a hole in the roof. So we'll show you some footage of those guys doing that. They came, they cut the hole ready for the Horizon roof to go in, so we've got some footage of showing you that. So other than the roof, other than the strip down, not a lot's really happened, but all will start happening now. So as much as this looks a sorry state, hopefully it will start to come together really quickly. They're going to start putting the new front end on it. The engine swap needs to happen. They're going to clean out underneath. Loads of the bits underneath are all going to be sent off powder coating. It's going to look really smart when it's been done. Then it needs to go off to Luff the Paintworks to paint the colour. Originally always planned on doing flannel grey because that is my favourite VW colour, but we've had a bit of a change of heart with another vehicle we've got here because this vehicle is going to be towing it to shows. So different colour. I originally wanted to do 3 spokes. I will do that one day, but decided it's not for this vehicle as we've got some sexy 2-piece splits coming. They're already on the way for this. So looks dull now, but trust me, this transformation is going to come thick and fast. Stay with us on the journey. Hopefully we'll have a new video out every week showing you lots of contents of how we transform this into my dream camper. See, it's all going on. Mitch is laying under it now. What are you looking for, Mitch? Right, there you go. Seeing what arms it's got for when we come to put the air install. Anyway, we'll leave it here. Really short video, just wanted to explain where we're at, but trust me, loads more content coming soon. Please do like this video, it means a lot to us. Share this with anybody that might be interested in a crazy transporter transformation. And as always, thanks for watching.